Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here with another Craft With Me for Christmas video. Today I'm going to work on making the little bags I'm going to use to put some of my goodies into. And I'm just going to use these brown paper bags that I got at Dollar Tree. And if I can find my ruler, these measure approximately 11 inches long, just under 11 inches long, by just over 5 inches wide, about 5 1/8. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I'm just using cut-offs, not cut-offs, scrapbook paper that I'm trying to finish up a pad or finish up some sheets. So what I've done is I've cut down 3 pieces of scrapbook paper. One is 4 7/8 by 7 inches tall. One is 4 7/8 by 9 inches tall. And the other one is 4 7/8 by 3 inches tall. And those will fit right on my paper bag. But before I get started with that, I am going to score my paper bag 1.5 inches from the top edge. And that will be where I fold it over. And of course, you don't have to measure like I do. That's just the way I prefer doing it. You can just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay, then the other thing I'm going to do is, again, using my ruler, I'm just going to make a little mark 3/4 of an inch from each side. And I'll come back to that later. Okay. So I'm going to flip my bag over, and I'm going to use the 9-inch piece, and I'm just going to glue it on. This is really simple. Most of you probably already know how this is going to go, but it will make just a cute little treat bag, and I'm just using stuff I already have on hand because I don't want to have to go buy anything. All right. And like I said, trying to use up some papers that I want to get used up. And I'm hoping that next week I've already got several of these little bags made and filled, so I'm hoping next week I can start some more individualized kinds of things. Okay, then I'm going to take the 7-inch piece and I'm going to glue it to the front. I want it to sit between this flap and beneath the score line that I made. And this piece does not need to go all the way down into the flap because I will be sealing that flap up. All right. So there's that one. Okay. Use my glue squisher. I don't think I did that on this side. It's probably already too late. Get some of that where I didn't quite get to the edge, and since I didn't use my glue spreader, and the art glitter glue dries so quickly. All right, that's better. And then my 3-inch high piece will go right here on this flap. So yeah, I'm excited about starting some pieces where I'll only be making one or a few, or making some ephemera pieces. And some of the stuff you all requested to see in the giveaway. Don't know that I will get it all done, but I will do what I can. And I've also been working on my Dear Julie November junk journal, and I've actually made really good progress on that. I know I've only had a couple of videos on that, and I may have 1 or 2 more, but that will probably be it. Okay. Now, today, all day, I've been having a real problem getting my edges sealed. I'm just having a bad glue day. This is why I like sewing around stuff so much, probably. Okay. So that's done. Now I'm going to come in here to the flap, and I'm going to run a bead of glue down this side and down this side. And I'm just going to close that up to create a pocket. Then I'm going to fold my top down, and where I made my marks, that's just for me as a guide. I'm going to punch a hole, and I use that to get them about even. So that they're both about even from the edge. They're still not going to be perfect, but okay. So now my bag has holes through it all. And I can put some of the goodies that I've made. I can slide them into the bag, and I still have access to the gusset right here. And like this waterfall album, I want it to go in the back behind that gusset. It's the tallest. And we'll put a bookmark in. And we'll put one of these little memo books that I altered the cover on. Put it in. And the little set of tags that I made. Now fold it over. And you might need to play with some things. What have I got? That's the tags. Might need to play with the way things are placed to get everything in there snugly. Okay, those tags they should not be that difficult. The tags are flat enough, they should not be causing a problem. It might be that memo book. Okay. So then fold it over. And I think I'll use some of this ribbon. I'm going to take my ribbon and feed one end through there. Feed the other end through the other side. You know, I've put several of these together today and not had a lick of problem. And of course I turned the camera on and have issues. Okay, so got the ribbon in. So I'm just going to tie a little bow and that'll keep the bag closed. And I'm going to snip the ends of my ribbon just a little bit at an angle. And there, you've got a goodie bag, and we've still got this pocket right here. Oh, I see. This bag is having a little bit of problem all the way around. We've got sorry. There was the problem. I'd glued part of it down. Okay. Then we've got a pocket here, and I've got something special that I want to go into each one of these pockets. But that is the basics of just a very simple but cute little goodie bag. So as soon as I've got the other stuff to do the last thing I want to do, then we'll be making the thing that I want to go in here. And that's it for now. I just wanted to show you how I was planning to package these little things up so that they're ready to hand out. I will begin right after Thanksgiving. I will start handing these out to people. And anyway, so that's it for now. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.